guys, me and the boys are gonna set a couple coon traps this evening.
Yeah.
This right here is a coon trap. How it works is you drive an anchor into the ground, and then you put some bait in here, and the coon reaches its hand in here, sets the trap, and gets its paw caught in here. It don't break their arm, it don't hurt them, but a lot of people may think this is inhumane, but we do everything that we can to help wildlife and conserve wildlife. And since not many people coon hunt anymore, coons are one of the #1 nest raiders for turkeys. And our turkey population in our county has decreased a lot over the years, and there's hardly any around here anymore, but this helps them out. You know, we don't kill all of them. We don't kill the real small ones and stuff, but we kill all the big ones. We dispatch them and use, sometimes I'll tan their fur, and you know, we don't just let them completely go to waste, but you know, that's one of our #1 nest raiders, and we do this to help the turkey population, not just to be mean or be just because they're maybe a nuisance or anything like that. I don't believe that. I just want to help the turkey population. But here we go. We're going to set this trap right here up against this bush, and we'll put some salmon oil around it, and I'll put some bait down in this trap right here.
That's easy. Oh, get this one. Oh,
Uh-oh, I missed the stake. All right, it's set. We'll cover this chain up right here. Put us a little hole right here, and take this salmon oil and put around it, and that'll be some scent for them to come check it out.
So, does it smell like salmon?
Yeah, it smells like salmon. You want to smell it? We'll take some little marshmallows here, something sweet, and we'll stick down in them.
Those are ours.
I know. Now they're going to be raccoons.
Wait, how?
No. All right, guys, and that one's set. We're going to set one more right here. This is a fence crossing right here where animals cross back and forth between the fence. We'll set one right here and see if we do any good right here. All right, it's set in there. Take some leaves right here, cover this chain up, make it look kind of natural. You don't have to do a whole lot to fool a coon. Coons are curious, so they'll kind of come check it out anyway. Put us some marshmallows down in here. All right, we're good to go. We got another one set. All right, guys, we're back at it again this morning. I had some coyote traps set. We're gonna go check those coyote traps and see what we got, and hopefully we got something we can help some of the baby turkeys and the baby deers to survive this coming spring. And we'll see what we got. We'll let you know here in a minute. All right, guys, we're rolling up on the first trap right here. Riley and Baylor's already spotted something. But right here, I've got one right here beside this hay bale. We didn't catch anything in it, but looks like something had been in it. Maybe my trap might have froze, but that's okay. I've got another one set up here about 100 yards away or so, and it looks like we have a coyote bouncing.
Oh, it's really pretty.
Alright, let's go up here and see. Don't run away from it, guys. Perfect pad catch on this one, guys. We're gonna go ahead and get him dispatched and get him out of here, but see if we can get this set remade and catch some more, show you guys. What do you think about that, guys? That's our second coyote of the year.
You're the same one.
No, it's not the same one. He's mad though. We got this coyote dispatched now, and he got him taken care of, got him out of the set. We're gonna get him out of here and remake his set, but these boys right here wanted to tell you about their experience, tell you how they liked it. How'd you like this, guys?
Yeah, I loved it.
You loved it?
I love it.
What's this help when we do this?
Coyote helping. It helps the deer population stay better.
Yep, it helps the deer population because they kill baby fawns, and it helps the turkey population tremendously. We're just trying to do our part to help that out, but it's something we enjoy and we get to do as a family as well. Alright guys, we just got in from running our little trap line there, and these boys wanted Daddy's world famous pancakes for breakfast. They love my pancakes. I don't know why, but I like them pretty good too. So we're gonna get some pancakes whipped up here and have some breakfast. Mama still, she got some sourdough bread rising here. She's gonna put in the oven here later, and she's gonna make us some sourdough bread. What do you think, Riley? You like Dad's pancakes?
I love them.
All right, let's get these things whipped up.
I love it too.
All right, guys, we got these pancakes ready here. We're fixing them out down, but before we get started, Riley's gonna ask the blessing for us.
Dear Lord, thank you for this day. Thank you for letting me our family be safe. Amen.
Amen. Good job. All right, going now down. You guys want peanut butter on yours?
No. I want to put some on mine.
This is something I've been doing since I was a kid. I tell a lot of people that I put peanut butter on my pancakes and they freak out. But you guys ought to try this if you've never done it. It's really good.
Everybody, you want mommy for yours? Everybody, you want mommy for yours?
Mine's going to my lunch. I got too much. Mine's going to my lunch. Mine's going to this stuff.
It's okay.
Okay, buddy.
Maybe that ain't more.
back at it again here in the steel house today. We're fixing to go ride some dirt bikes. We got some snow coming in and some bad weather, and these boys want to have some fun before all that comes in. We ain't able to get out. So here we go. Let's get this started. All right, guys, we're gonna try to get some riding in before the snow gets here. It's already starting to flurry a little bit. Baby's gonna be on his four-wheeler today, and Riley's gonna be on his motorcycle. Me and Mama, we're gonna be on our motorcycles. Here we go. 2 wipeouts. 2 wipeouts. All right, guys. Thank you guys for sharing another day with us. We had a really fun day today. We've done some dirt biking. Woke up this morning and checked our traps. Spent a lot of time together, a lot of time as a family, just enjoying God's great outdoors and having fun. Hopefully you guys will continue to follow us, continue to stick along with us as we have fun and enjoy each other. As we go on throughout the rest of this little journey here, these kids are want to continue to do this. So we hope we can, once again, just be an encouragement to everybody. Thank you guys, and remember to
like and subscribe.